In this video, we're going to be setting up our first project and building a basic Kanban board so we can track our progress. We're heading into our project dashboard and clicking Start New Project, choosing a project name and a description, and then we're going to choose a plan, in this case, the standard plan. Okay, so the project's built and we're going to hit Launch Project. So we're going to head over to Settings and then the Data Model, and then we're going to create our first entity. So we're going to create a tasks entity. Now we're going to add a couple of fields. We're going to start with a name field. We're going to create a new field now, and that's going to be status. And here we're going to have a couple of options. So we're going to select the input type as select, and we're going to choose a couple here. So we're going to select backlog, in progress, and to complete the Kanban board, of course, done. Right, so that entity is created. Now we're going to head into settings and into our menus. We're going to create our first menu item. So we're going to choose the entity we've created, which is tasks and its display name, and then a suitable icon. And we're going to set it to be root menu item. Okay, so now it's appeared in our sidebar. Great. So we're going to start here on the grid view, and we're going to create 3 tasks: create code, make coffee, and build documentation. Then we're going to switch into our Kanban view that's immediately built for us and ready to use. And we're free to drag and drop our tasks around, and those changes will immediately update the database. And whilst we've been doing that, our APIs have been building for us in the background. So if we head over to API docs, we can see that all of the data that we've been entering is now immediately available for us in the API. So we can see just there all that data coming back. And now you can start building an app against it using the additional endpoints that we also have in here. You have controls for auth, payments, subscriptions, and of course you can also control entities and fields as well if you're using an LLM to actually build your project. And that's it. We're a way to go, and we can now start tracking our progress as we start building out our project.